Finding the volume of a hexagonal tent. Alex Lee, Sam Gordon, and Eli Lee.
Alex Lee!
Okay.
So the first step was to find the tent. So we found the
Hexagonal party tent.
wow.
The one and only tent for your hexagonal party needs.
Yes, it has a base side length of 6.6 feet and a height of 8.6 feet. So in terms of volume, the tent is essentially a hexagonal pyramid on top of a hexagonal prism. So to find the volume, you just need to find the volume of these two shapes
Separately
and add them together.
So to find the volume of the hexagonal prism, we used this formula where A is your side length and H is the height. Then we just plugged in the numbers.
Yes, indeed.
To get this number. The math is here if you want to check it out.
Pause the video if you want. All
Or
right.
don't.
Next was the volume of the pyramid that's on top. So
This is what a pyramid looks like, kind of.
yes,
Like that.
indeed. So here's the formula, which is deceptively complex. So it's ABH, but A is the length of the apothem, which we'll explain soon, and you have to calculate that using this formula.
That was really the only hard part.
Yep.
The apothem is just a fancy geometry term for like hexagon radius. It's from the middle of a side, so not from a point, but if this here is a side, you go from here to the middle, and that's your apothem.
Yes. So eventually we got this value for the volume. I mean, not the volume, the apothem.
Yeah. And
that's the volume.
we plugged it back in to get this volume for the pyramid on top. All that was left to do was add them together, and we get this for our tent size, which is a perfect size for Mr. Yogi Bear.